Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is an unboxing of the, let me just go figure out how you actually see it because I'm not sure. Don't laugh, okay? This could go pretty bad. Fjallraven Kanken. You get it. If you clicked on the video, you know what the bag is, okay? We're just gonna leave it there. First of all, I want to start off by saying that I got this from the actual Fjallraven Kanken website. So, because I actually heard that there was a lot of fakes going about eBay and Amazon, and I did see them there for better prices, but I would rather pay like the £10 extra and get the real thing because they are quite pricey. And before I actually bought this, I did a lot of research online about it and I watched a lot of videos and like what fitted in it. So the purpose of buying these, because they are a little bit more expensive than what we would normally buy, is because we were going travelling around Southeast Asia for 2 months, and we are people that do a lot of hiking and a lot of hill walking and stuff around Scotland, up Glencoe. Last year we went to the Lost Valley. Didn't actually get there, went the wrong way, but that's a different story, okay? We're gonna get good use out of these. It is a little bit more expensive, so if you are looking at this video because you want to buy one, I suggest doing some research. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Should I unbox this on camera so you can actually see it? The struggle is real. Alright. I got 2 of these. I got one for myself and I got one for my boyfriend too, so that we can be matching. Inside you just get like what colours you've got in the description. So we got the backpacks in the colours brick and deep blue. So the deep blue is actually for my boyfriend, so I'm just gonna leave this for him to open, but I'll show you the colour, which is actually really nice. I actually think I like this better than my colour. We might need to swap. So the good thing about these backpacks, are so I've heard and so I have observed online, is that they can fit a lot of stuff on. They can fit a lot. The good thing I've seen online about these backpacks is what is wrong with me today? The good thing that I have seen online about these backpacks is that you can fit a lot of stuff in them. They're going to be ideal for traveling and ideal for hiking. So let's just go on and unbox it, and I'm going to show you like all the compartments, because see, when I was watching these videos, they're just like, here's my bag and I'm going to show you what I can fit in it. I'm going to show you like fully what the bag is like. Are you ready? Although, you know, I'm kind of disappointed. I watched someone's video of unboxing these and they get sweeties in theirs. There's no sweeties in mine. Fjallraven Kanken, what are you doing? This is a Swedish brand. It's a very nice language, but I don't know how to say it, so I'm not going to try and do it again. Mine is in the colour brick. I don't know, I was going to get it in like a light blue, but then I decided that because I'm using it for hiking and because I'm going to use it for camping and hiking and going around Southeast Asia, I decided that a slightly darker colour was probably best. So I went with the brick one, and it's pretty nice. Looking nice on. It's pretty true to the colour on camera, I would say. So this one is the brick one if you want to buy it also. There's a little tag here and it just has acting responsible to people, animals and nature, and inspire to a life in the outdoors. That's right up my street. I'm always out in the nature with my little dog. Okay, so this is a original version of the Kanken backpack. It says so on this little thing. I'm just going to untie this because we're not sending it back. We're going to keep it. Maybe I won't because it's providing to be quite... Ah, there we go. Okay. So the first pocket here, you just get like a little one. The material is pretty thick. Like it feels waterproof. I think it is waterproof. A little leaflet inside. I think this is just like a care package, you know how you're supposed to take care of your Kanken. I really like what this backpack and this backpack stands for, what this company is standing for. Act responsibly towards humans, animals and nature. Oh, Save the Arctic Fox project. That's nice. Yeah, it gives you a little care package, and it kind of tells you what they're all about, so that's fun. So it has this little button on the top here, and you just like unclip that, and I think that is kind of there so that you can use it as a tote and like carry it around, like, you know, like this, instead of on your back. So it's got good, it's got some options. Love options. Alright, so I like that it unzips all the way down to the bottom, so you can open it up fully, and that is the inside. Oh, you can put your name and address and contact number. Ah, let's even get a wee Swedish flag in there. Can you see that? That's cute. I like that. It's not as roomy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be bigger, but apparently they look small, but you can fit a lot in it. In the back there's like a little pocket, and a lot of people use it for their laptop, and personally I think that's mostly what I'm going to use it for, apart from when I do go hiking and things like that. But this is actually either, apparently, I don't know if this is true, but it's supposed to be that you can take this piece out, there's a little pocket, and then this is at the back of it, and you're supposed to be able to take this out and like sit it on the ground if you want to have a rest while you're hiking, so your bum doesn't get dirty. I don't know if that's true. You can leave a comment down below if that's true. Or maybe it's to do with like keeping the pressure off your back, it's better for your back. I don't know, but yeah, so that's the full size little bit in there for your laptop, your bum or your back. I don't know. It also has, I'll fill it out a little bit, like a water bottle pocket in there. Oh, you have two water bottle pockets. So, hold on. So you can put things in either side of that as well, which is good. Stay hydrated. So I think what I'll do now, try and put some stuff in it. I was gonna actually do this as a separate video, but I think if I do it just as one video, then this might be pretty short. So I'm gonna put some stuff in it. So I'm gonna put in my 13-inch MacBook Air, lacy hard drive, planner, which has got a little bit of wear and tear on it now, to be honest. A book in, this is the book I've been reading recently, and this. What I'm going to do is I'm basically going to empty my everyday backpack that I already use, which is a fairly little backpack, which I know isn't really the same size, but I'm just going to try and show you what I would fit in here and like how much room I would have left with my laptop, books and everything that I normally carry throughout the day inside the bag. So here we go. Person, a small makeup bag in, just like a little one, just a little. My sunglasses, I got these for my holiday as well. I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel fly. No, I can't see. I can't see. I know you shouldn't really wrap them around, but YOLO. So I'm gonna put these inside of it as well. A little mini sun cream. Pale problems. I have an empty water bottle because I do reuse my water bottles when I go to the gym and out for the day, because you should try and minimise your plastic consumption. Got a little coin purse. Let's do this first, and then I'm going to see how much room I have left once I put all those things in, and then I'm just going to like throw stuff in and see how much I can actually fit in it, and then I'm going to try it on and let you know how comfortable it is once it's full. Bye. That fits in pretty snug, I'd say. My book I've been reading. Whoa, this is deep. A journal. A notepad just for little notes. My hard drive. My purse. This is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Makeup bag. Lip balm. Probably just put it in the front now. Probably a wise idea. hand sanitizer. Put this in the front. Little baby sun cream in the front. Deodorant in the front. Actually, I'm going to put the deodorant in the main bit. Well, sunglasses in the front. Will the sunglasses go in the front? Yes, sunglasses definitely go in the front. I'm just going to close that over now. Beats headphones. I feel like I have loads of room still. Coin purse. What? I'm trying to think what else I could put in here. I don't know. But basically with like everything I would normally carry throughout the day, plus my laptop and my headphones and everything, and hard drives, I still have a lot of space to go through. So, I mean, I don't even know what else I could put in here. I'm not impractical. I don't carry a lot of stuff around with me. I don't know. Should I just get random shit and put it in? Charger. My phone would be in here too. So, I mean, that's a good amount of stuff, I'd say. And I don't want to make it like seem impractical and I'm just like filling it up with random stuff. For camping, traveling and airplanes, I'd say it's a pretty good backpack. I'm going to put it on now and see how comfortable it is. It has like straps at the back. And I think you pop them. Am I doing this wrong? You know, I look cool with my backpack on. Don't want it like high up. Want to wear my backpack and be cool. I'm all about the backpack life. The straps are a little uncomfortable. Like a little bit. So I would suggest, obviously this is a classic one. It's a little bit uncomfortable because of the amount of stuff that I put in it. So I would say if you're going to be lugging a laptop around at school or work or anything, then probably get the one that's actually designed for the laptop because it has the thicker straps. Because these are digging in a little bit, I would say. I mean, it's not uncomfortable, but it's not like comfortable either. Okay guys, as usual, always a pleasure, love talking to you. If you found this video helpful or informative, or like it just helped you pick what colour you want to get, for whatever reason you're buying one, it's always good to do research because they are a little bit pricey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you would like to see what's in my carry-on bag for a long haul flight using the Kanken, then be sure to thumbs up this video. Don't forget, if you haven't done so yet, that you can also subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and you're gonna be seeing more from me soon. Bye guys.